Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. And today I'm just going to share another powerful strategy with you guys on how you can scalp any pair, be it currency or synthetic, even crypto, so that you can be able to make profits daily on whichever stock you are trading. But please mind you that whenever you are using a mobile strategy, as a beginner, you are scalping the market. So therefore, whenever you make little profit, you have to close so that you don't end up losing the money or probably losing your total capital to the brokers. And again, I'll urge you to practice this strategy before you go live with it, because majority of the new traders we have out there now are eager to make money on Forex, and they forget that Forex is not a gambling platform where you just come and then you decide whatever you want to do without following instruction or probably following or trading along with the price. For you to make money on Forex, you must be patient, and then you must be very disciplined. You must have um, the mindset of a businessman who is trying to make profit rather than making losses. So therefore, you take precaution and then you follow every necessary guide that is going to enable you make that profit. Alright, that being said, the strategy is very simple and is very easy to understand. You can use it on any time frame. In as much as the setup is clear, you can use it on any time frame, and you can use it on any currency, like I said earlier. So if you are watching up to this moment and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and put on the notification bell. Alright, how does this strategy work and what are the requirements? In the main chart, we have 3 indicators, and in the window 1 we just have 2 indicators. Despite that this strategy doesn't require much indicator, doesn't mean it doesn't work. So please, I will urge you to follow instruction for your uh, own profit. Okay, that being said, let me take you to, or let me explain the entry and exit format for this strategy. Now in the main chart, the brown line you are seeing is moving average 50, and the other 2 indicators are moving average 7, moving average 10, and moving average 5 respectively. So whenever we are looking for a buy opportunity, we start with the window 1 setup. Like right now, this is on volatility 10 index. On 15-minute time frame, the buy opportunity is not accurate. I'll tell you the reason why. Now for a good buying opportunity, this is what we want to see. The first condition is that price must be above level 50, which is the moving average here. When we have price above there, the next thing we want to see is we want to see our momentum indicator, which is the red one, crossing above the green one in level 15. The reason why we are not going to open a buy position when this setup first occur around this axis is because it's below level 50. So there is high chances that if we take buy, price can get there, just like what we notice here. Price can get there and then drop, if possible drop below and start going down. So in such scenario, we rather wait for price to cross above, then we will start looking for an opportunity to take a buy. Is that clear? So in that scenario, that pattern, that setup was not clear enough. That setup was not clear enough. So this is a scenario whereby we have a good setup. If you notice that at first, this was where we have the crossover, and when you check, price was still under, right? But our moving average has indicated that price is moving towards the upside, because we can see price creating higher high and higher lows. So immediately price came back at this point and it closed bullish above our moving average 50. When this momentum is here, you can't take a buy opportunity, no. So you rather let it retrieve back to level 50 and see cross, just a little cross, just like what we have here. Then that is when you open your buy opportunity or your buy setup. Immediately you notice this crossover at this point, ignore your setup when price is here, even if it's bullish. Just wait for a retracement back to level 50 and immediately it crosses. Since we have all the conditions necessary, then you open for buy. Is that clear? Never for any reason open buy when your momentum indicator is around level 85. Never try such. Wait for a pullback and immediately it cross level 50, then you open a buy. Is that clear? That is if we still have our moving average in this axis. That is if your momentum is above your moving average. So that is how we wait for a good buy setup. Then in the case of sell setup or sell trade, now we only take sell trade when we have this condition. The first condition is we want to notice our level, our moving average moving towards level 85, and then when we have our momentum indicator cross below level 50, then we'll check where price is in the main chart. But you will notice something, that when this scenario happened, when all this happened, price was above level 50. So there is high probability that price is going to be rejected, and indeed price was what? Rejected towards the upside. So in such scenario, you don't place any trade. But mind you, since we still have the confirmation in place whereby the moving average is above is approaching level 85, and the same thing that happened earlier on in the buy scenario, where I told you that when your moving average approaches level 80, don't take any buy opportunity. The same thing applies to this sell scenario. When your moving average approaches here, don't take any sell. So what you'll be waiting for is wait for kind of pullback, then immediately it gives you a cross above below the level 50, while your moving average is still around this axis, then you can take a sell. Is that clear? So that was what happened exactly at that point. So at that moment, you notice that already our price has dropped below level 50. indicating price is going where down. So you scalp, and then immediately you make good profit, you come out. Is that clear, guys? This instruction is very simple. When your setup doesn't tally with the direction of the trend, you wait for a pullback. So when you pull back and in the next formation, the conditions are met, then you open either for buy or for sell. This applies to all pairs. Now let's check on the boom indices. That is boom and crash. Let's go with boom 1000. Now this is a very good situation. We want to take, all we want to do is a sell opportunity, right? You see, we have this our moving average at level 85. Our momentum is almost crossing level 50, but in our main chart, price is at above level 50, so we won't want to risk it. Yes, we won't want to risk such situation, because the moving average, the window one is trying to meet up with the setup, but the main chart is not. Price is still bullish, very bullish, so little spike can drain your account, because boom 1000 is very volatile. So in such situation, you either wait for a pullback or until you have a good setup. Is that clear? So this is not a good condition for what? Sell. Don't be deceived by the bearish candle you are seeing. Any point you hit now, any support zone you hit, either even on lower time frame, it's going to spike massively, because price is seriously what? Bullish. So it will be very risky to take sell opportunity. But if price will be below level 50, then we have these conditions met, then we can risk it. Is that clear? So that is how we use this strategy. Now let's backtest. Now look at the scenario for buy. Look at scenario for buy. For those of you who love catching spike, at this point the condition was met, but price was below level what? 50. Sorry. Price was below level 50. So in such scenario, you wait for pullback. Immediately price got here, you won't do anything. All you'll be waiting for is to see what price is going to do next. Now what do we notice? Price drop back right there. Price drop right there. Then immediately we notice this cross here above level 50. We open for buy. So if we have opened for buy where we have our moving average below, you notice we'll have catch this spike all the way up. You see it, guys? So that is the essence of you being patient till the conditions are properly met. It works very accurate. It's just that if you are missing it, it means you are not being patient enough. Then look at the scenario for sell. This is what we are waiting for. We have price below. Immediately we got this break below level 50. You notice what price started doing. Even though it spiked, price couldn't go deeper. Highest, it came back. So at such point, you make more profit compared to losses. Then immediately you get a close above your level. When you get this and you get this, any bullish close above, then you exit immediately. So that is how the strategy works, guys. I believe you understand. So watch it, then practice it on your practice account before you go live with it. It works both on currency. So it's a price action form of trading. So it works both on currency pair. So please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and make sure you put on notification bell, because I'm going to be posting strategies upon strategies. And if you want to make consistent profit, you have a laptop, or probably you are ready to subscribe a VPS so that you get the interface of a laptop, watch out for my millennial strategy updates, whereby you can make profit consistently with a software put in place and has high accuracy, whereby it tells you what price is doing and areas where price is going to reverse. Unlike this mobile phone that sometimes, even if the conditions are met, price still tricks or play with your equity. So to avoid such instances, and majority of you who are trading with mobile strategy barely make consistent profit because some of you are impatient, and secondly, sometimes this indicator lags. That means when they print information, except you are in the trade currently, sometimes the informations are not that real, or probably even if it's real, the profits are not that much. So if you want something that's going to give you massive profit consistently, then don't hesitate to subscribe for my millionaire strategy, so that with that you'll be able to make consistent profit. And I update this strategy often and often, so if you can check my channel now, you see the recent updates. So that's it, guys. Love you, and then see you in the next video. Cheers.